I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Mixpanel. First, you'll need to create a free Mixpanel account on their website. Once registered, you'll integrate the Mixpanel SDK into your application or website. This crucial step connects your platform to Mixpanel's powerful analytics. We'll then focus on defining and implementing custom events, which are essential for capturing specific user interactions and gaining valuable insights into product usage. Let's get started. Integrating the Mixpanel SDK is straightforward. Select the appropriate SDK for your platform, whether it's for a web application, iOS, or Android. You can typically install it using a package manager like NPM for web or CocoaPods for iOS, or by directly downloading the files. After installation, initialize the SDK with your unique Mixpanel project token. This token ensures all data is sent to your specific project, making your analytics accurate and organized. Now let's talk about custom events. These are the specific actions users take that you want to measure. Start by identifying key user behaviors like sign up or item added to cart. Then implement Mixpanel. Track calls in your code for each of these defined events. Remember to include relevant properties with each event, such as product name or price, to gather richer, more detailed data for your analysis. This makes your insights much more powerful. After setting up your events, it's crucial to test everything. Use Mixpanel's live view to verify that your event data is flowing correctly and accurately. Once confirmed, you can dive into Mixpanel's advanced features, such as building funnels to understand user journeys, creating cohorts for segmentation, and running /B tests to optimize your product. These tools provide deep insights into user behavior and product performance. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay productive and hydrated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.